The spirit of the 5th Meghalaya Games blazed into Nongstoin on Friday as the torch relay team from Shillong received a rousing welcome. Deputy Commissioner Garrett LSN Dykes and District Sport Officer West Khasi Hills greeted the team with open arms at Anderson High Secondary School, officially kicking off the relay within the district. Gracing the occasion, Dykes received the torch from Torch Ambassador Benning Star Linkhoi, igniting the celebratory atmosphere in Nongstoin. Entrusted with this significant honor, 3 promising young athletes, Ban Job Lang Wanyang, Iban Penshailen Nongbri and Donald Nongtnger, proudly bore the torch through prominent landmarks.
Kena kapot pak pendep ye kena ke relay juga torch nadu nanti napo Anderson School kadu ke poi hangar petrol pom kedon po kena ke tong Nongstoin sudah gap pendep kena kapas ini kapot dan IT biang ya kena ketemu sa IT torch ambassador jong the spear.
In cricket,